My favorite part of making the bike rack was getting to tack everything together.
You know, it was mainly more of like a team effort thing. You know, everybody just working together. You know, everybody got their certain part. You know, everything like that.
So we were awarded a $1,500 grant from Erie's Public Schools to do a school improvement project. So the kids wanted to do a bike rack to hopefully encourage more students to ride a bicycle to school and, you know, have it parked in the front yard, make it something nice and pretty. And
We cut it out on the plasma cutter, and then we measured and we cut the bars and also the pipes that we had to use on like the top and bottom of the bike rack.
But basically, you know, it was a lot of hard work, a lot of math skills, cutting things out at certain angles. You know, trying to get everything to be as perfect as it can. You know, making something for our school. So you know, it's very important to us, important to everybody. So yeah, it's a lot of hard work,